My name is Bill. I am a new student. What is your name? Let's be friends. Come to my house to play. How do you walk? You hit me. I am sorry. Oh no, he is so scary. Who do you call scary? I am sorry. I didn't mean it.
Hey, how do you walk?
Oh my God, he is so tall and scary. What is wrong with him? I wish time goes fast so school can end. Oh my. God, your hair, it is! So, how is it? It is so beautiful. It is very cool. You look much younger. Oh my God, your lips! What lipstick do you use? It looks very sweet. You look so pretty in that lipstick. Do I look stylish? Yes. You look very stylish. This is new cherry red color. It is very popular now. Wow. Do you want to try? Yes, I want to try. Oh my God. My lips are so pretty. They are full and beautiful. Do you want to join our group? What group? We are the Fashion Girls.
Of course! I want to join!
But first, you need to change. You look so outdated.
I will make my nails pretty. My nails look so nice.
Anna, please listen to the teacher. Leave me alone. You are so outdated.
They look so scary. Oh. I need to stay away from them.
Hey!
I am sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it this morning.
You do not need to say sorry. We just want to.
What is wrong with him? We just want to ask him to play soccer. See you tomorrow. Bye, Fashion Girls. You go home early? That is so outdated. Sit down. We will do your hair. Really? You will do my hair?
Your hair looks so old. Ugh. But I like my hair. I don't want to do.
Calm down, we will fix it.
Those boys are so scary. Will they hit me tomorrow? Bill, are you okay? I study a lot, so I am tired. I will go to my room and rest early. Why is Anna not home yet? Where are you? Okay, yours is done. I need to go home. Mom will worry. Hey, Anna. Tomorrow, you must have your own lipstick. Okay, I will ask and borrow my mom's lipstick. You are so outdated. This is new lipstick. If you are fashion, you need to follow trends. Okay, I understand. Bye-bye, see you tomorrow. She is so outdated. And stupid. This lipstick is so pretty. But it is $50. I only have $20. Anna, where did you go? Why did you not come home?
I just came home late.
What happened to your hair? Why do you have nail polish and lipstick? You are still a student. You should not do that. You do not understand. That is the trend now. You are so outdated.
You will pay for it.
It is just a dream.
I need to be very quiet. I will only take $50.
Did you see $50? I lost $50.
No, Mom, I did not see it.
I did not see it. Maybe I dropped it somewhere. Where is cherry red lipstick? Oh, here it is.
How much is this lipstick? It is $50.
You are too young to buy lipstick, little girl.
I buy it for my mom.
I do not want to go to class. Will they hit me today?
Hey, are you new? Let me borrow this. I will give it back tomorrow.
No! This is my birthday gift.
I do not care. It is mine now.
Give it back to me. Oh! Whoa!
Hey! What are you doing?
Oh no! They are together! What if they hit me? I will go to the hospital! Do not come near me! Look! I bought the lipstick! Oh, you are more cool now. Let me see it. Let me use it first. It is mine. Now it is mine. You used this old one. What do you mean? We are friends. Why do you do that? Do you think you fit with us? You look so outdated. I thought we were friends. There are no friends here. Look, this is our new member. You do not fit. It is okay, Anna. You do not need to change. Just be yourself. Thank you so much. I am very scared of you guys. Please let me go. Here, this is yours. Did you get it back for me? I thought you would hit me. We do not hit people. Yesterday, I said sorry, but you said no. So I thought you were angry. We said no because we did not mind. We just wanted to play soccer with you. Really? Can I still play today? Of course.
Thank you very much.
No problem, my friend. I do not need this. I will be myself. That is the best. Mom, today I have 2 new friends. They are very kind. They got my Rubilk back and asked me to play soccer too.
I am very happy you have new friends.
Mom, I am sorry. I took your $50. I only have $20 to pay you. I know you took it, but I waited for you to tell the truth. Can you forgive me? I am happy you told me the truth. I should not steal and use makeup at school. It is okay, my girl. I will not play with them anymore. They only used me. I just need to be myself, and I will still have friends.
I am happy you understand that.
We are together! I am happy! Finally, we have time for our family. The show is starting. I like this show. Let's watch together. Okay, it's learning time. Do you remember the first red word? Let's watch again. This is new cherry red color. It is very popular now. This is popular. Say it with me. Popular. 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 Popular means many people like it. Many people use it.
Example.
Are you drinking coffee, Dad?
Yes, coffee is a popular drink for many people. It's too hot right now.
I like football. It is a popular sport in the world. Woohoo! Next word. Outdated. Say it loud. Outdated. 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 Outdated means it is very, very old and not cool, not modern. My phone is 10 years old. It is very slow. It is outdated. I have a paper map from 1990. Many roads are new. This map is outdated. Next word. Steal. Say it loud. Steal, steal, steal. Steal means take something that is not yours. He tried to steal her bag. The cat steals my food. Last word. Forgive. Say it loud. Forgive. 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 Forgive means you say it's okay and you are not angry anymore. I am sorry I am late. Please forgive me, teacher. All right, come in. Let's continue the lesson. Oh my God, that's my cookie! I am sorry, Anna. I was so hungry.
Okay, I forgive you, Bill.
It's easy, right? Let's write this lesson in your notebook. In the next video, Bill's house is in trouble. A big storm comes at night.
Water is coming into the house.
The roof is breaking.
What bad things will happen next? Watch the next video to find out. If you like this video, tap like.
and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye!